When we do a survey of youth that are in school, in high school in Boston, we find that fully a quarter of our young people in high school, a quarter, 1 in 4, have experienced an abusive relationship. I don't think this is even an urban problem. Across this country, 1 in 4, 1 in 5, 1 in 6 young people are self-reporting that they've been in relationships that are not healthy. One thing that I know that's very different from like when I came up is my life wasn't on Facebook, my life wasn't in tweets, there was no social media. So you can imagine that now, on top of the emotions you're feeling around the breakup yourself, you have to worry about what the perception is in your peer group, or even greater than your peer group. It has become so public. And I think that's added a level of stress that we frankly, as adults, haven't had to deal with, and we really need to make sure that young people understand how to set these boundaries around their digital lives. What are the strategies you use when someone who you don't know well, and who you may not like and who may not like you, now goes and does a posting about your relationship with so-and-so, and young people are really looking for what would be the strategy for handling that situation. I think it's almost easier to sort of explain like how do you get into a good relationship than how do you exit a relationship that stopped working. It's very hard to break up in a way that leaves you very intact but doesn't destroy the person you're leaving. You know, it is a genuine health issue because both physical and emotional abuse leads to things like depression, drug use, missing school, and illness. And the cornerstone of building peace in our neighborhoods, it's not law enforcement, it's not going to be the courts, it's not going to be probation. It's going to be people understanding how to build a healthy relationship, how to manage their emotions, and how to address conflict. I think there are a lot of young people who want to know how they can love somebody fully and be loved fully in a way that lets them keep their identity and keep their respect. You know, you have an opportunity when people are young to give them the skills that they need to manage their emotions and their relationships. And if you don't make use of that opportunity, really shame on all of us.